Hi everyone, my name is Kenny, and today I want to talk about something that frustrates a lot of React Native developers: setting up NativeWind. If you have ever tried to use NativeWind before, you probably know it's not simple as just installing one package. You need to deal with a lot of configurations like ranking styles, updating your bubbles setup, making sure Tailwind is recognized, and sometimes fixing weird imports like errors like cannot find that slash global that CSS. All of these can waste a lot of your time, especially for beginners who just want to start styling their app right away. So, like I told you earlier, this is my awesome starter kit. It's a design for building amazing React Native applications quickly and clean. Here are some of the main features you get right out of the box. So, export loader for file-based routing. Tailwind CSS NativeWind is a utility-first CSS framework for rapid UI development. You also get TypeScript static typing for JavaScript, and you also get AC ring to help you write clean and consistent code. Everything pre-configured. You just clone it and go. All right, let's go through setup real quick. How to clone the repository. Just go into Finder and create a new folder, and you should name it what you need or maybe what you want. Let me do just YouTube clone kit, and you just learn terminal with this folder, and right here it is an instruction of how you can do all the things, all the works. For the first, clone this repository to your local machine. So all we have to do is to clone this repository into our own local machine. So let's do this. You just write git clone and you copy this, or you can do like this. Maybe this might work. So you delete this and you do this, and you do this. And how you can navigate into your project folder is just you can write this command: cd native /starter/kit, the name of the repository, and you can click enter, and we also do this. So, and you just do this so that you can get your own repository, and you can all do just all the things. This step is really important because it keeps your new project separated from the starter kit's repo. If you are on Mac or Linux, just run rm, which stand out for remove, and rf dot git. So this remove away the kit so that you can own this repo. So on a window, I also gives you out how you can do it. So this is how you can do with the PowerShell, how you can do with the CMD. So this is how you can initialize your own repository into Git. So you just do copy and come into terminal, just do this and click enter. So it will do all of this, create mode on your Git, and you can install dependencies. Like me, I only use burn, so I will do burn install. So here it is. So I will install burn. So that folder, let me show you in the VS Code how it looks. So you just come here in the VS Code, you open, you just come here, and you just drop in the VS Code. So it will show you all the files in the app. You can find louds, you can find global CSS, you can find barber, metro config, all the things are set up. So This app folder has all your screen and layouts. The asset folder here keeps the asset folder here keeps your image and fonts. Like here you can find the image, those are image with an PNG format, and we can find node models where we have all the models, I mean the bin, all the things, so accept and icon. So yeah, so yeah, that's it. You got a full working React Native, and if you want to try out, Gabriel is right below in the description. So go ahead and clone it and start your next project faster. So let me show you how this runs with my simulator. You just come here in the terminal, just write ban those dependencies you have installed, ban run expo, and it will start a project right away. You have to wait a bit and just place I. It will open also in the simulation, like here. This is starter kit.